FBC ASEAN 2024, Driving Success Through Connection.
With the main theme, Journey from Components to Finished Products, the FBC ASEAN 2024 International Manufacturing Trade Exhibition, taking place from September 18th to 20th in Hanoi, and online from September 25th to 27th, 2024, has created thousands of business opportunities for domestic and foreign enterprises. This year's event featured a record-breaking 300 booths with 220 participating businesses. Thousands of business transactions between businesses and visitors have been recorded. Notably, many successful deals with contracts signed on-site were made. The three-day exhibition attracted nearly 9,000 visitors with an estimated trade value of $27 million. FBC ASEAN 2024 has received overwhelmingly positive feedback from businesses, citing the event's diverse market and the number of visitors far exceeding previous records. FBC ASEAN 2024 brings together unprecedented number ones in the region, including the largest number of manufacturing plants, the largest number of Japanese booths, the largest number of buyers with urgent needs for supplying partners including over 20 renowned brands such as Panasonic, Samsung, Tiger, Fuji Films, Foster Electric, TOTO Vietnam, Tectronic Industries, Bando, Musashi Auto Parts, and many others. In addition to facilitating trade, FBC ASEAN 2024 offers a platform for knowledge exchange, competitions, and other engaging activities, enriching the experience for all participants. FBC ASEAN 2025 is poised to revolutionize Vietnam's manufacturing industry, setting a new benchmark for industry exhibitions. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. Follow our official channels to stay updated on the latest trade prospects.